Men working on a roof take quite a fall when the structure just collapses around them. 3 people are hurt tonight, 2 of them tumbling to the ground. And all new Channel 4 Action News reporter Ari Height speaks to the one worker who miraculously didn't fall.
This shows very well exactly what happened here today. You can see the portion of the wall here that collapsed. Most of it fell in. The portion at the end fell outside of the building. There were 3 guys standing on top of that when it fell, but only 2 actually fell all the way to the ground.
All the trusses rolled, and it's like a domino effect. Once one goes, they all sort of go.
Michael Brown is one of the 3 men who was on top of the building when it collapsed, and he's the one man who did not fall all the way to the ground.
I fell probably 8 feet and got hung up on the top sheet of plywood, and my ankle got caught in the plywood, and I was hanging upside down like 12 feet off the ground. I was just hanging upside down, nothing. I couldn't get myself down, and I finally was able to work myself back up and get a hold of the studs and pull myself back up.
The other 2 men on top were not as lucky. Both fell the full 20 feet, and both had to be rescued from the rubble by firefighters.
They went in, stabilized the patient as quickly as possible, and moved him out without doing any other injury or harm to him.
Both men have what are described as moderate injuries, broken bones, but they are expected to recover. So now investigators need to figure out what caused the collapse. At the time, the men were loading plywood on top to begin roofing.
And we're not sure at this time if the crane that was loading the material on either hit the rafters or they overloaded the roof rafters and caved in.
Whatever the reason for the collapse, Michael Brown knows he's fortunate to still be alive and to have the opportunity to say life goes on.
It's kind of traumatizing because I know that tomorrow I got to get right back up there and do it all again. That's my job.
And what you're looking at right now are investigators from OSHA. They are on scene, but they tell me they have not yet reached any conclusions here. All they will say is that this investigation is continuing. In Arnold, Ari Height, Channel 4 Action News.